What is up, my beautiful ninja family? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how this weird top 10 fastest trains in the world video made over $117,000 profit. And the most important part, how anyone, anywhere, even if you have zero experience and zero subscribers, can start making money today on YouTube without making any videos yourself. I promise you this is gonna be a good one. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so in this video, we're gonna be showing you how to make $100 or more, right? The examples that we're gonna give in this video, these people are making way more than $100 per day, literally making videos on YouTube without doing any of the recording yourself. You don't have to be on camera. You literally don't have to do anything. All you have to do is remake videos that you're allowed to use, right? This is 100% legit. I did all the research. There's something called Creative Commons that we're gonna show you and talk about a little bit later in this video. I'm gonna show you guys how you can start making a ton of money from YouTube, literally just re-uploading videos that are already on YouTube. Because I know a lot of people don't have cameras, a lot of people don't want to get in front of a camera, but anyone, anywhere with zero subscribers can start to do this and start to make a ton of money doing it. So most people think that you're not actually allowed to just reuse YouTube content and other people's content that they upload on YouTube. People think that there's copyrights. People think that they're not allowed to actually reuse that. And a lot of times that is actually true, but not always. There's something called Creative Commons, and what Creative Commons is it allows anyone, anywhere to reuse the video content that people upload to YouTube if they mark it as Creative Commons. And the cool thing is it's actually very easy to figure out what is Creative Commons and what is not Creative Commons if you know how. But as a warning, guys, do not skip any of this video because there's one critical thing that you absolutely have to know to be able to make this work. And I know some people are gonna skip parts of the video or skip to the end and things like that. You are not going to make this work unless you know every step, because there's one critical mistake that a lot of beginners make. And if you don't make that mistake, then you can actually go on to really start making a ton of money. Like, again, this video right here that made over $117,000 profit. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to prove it to you in just a few minutes. All right, so I wanna show you guys just a few examples of actually people who are doing this. So we're gonna share my screen really quick. And what we're looking at right here, literally all I typed in was just scariest, right? So like scariest, you can see 6.5 million views, 13 scariest videos found on the dark web, right? You see 6.8 million views 7 years ago, top 10 most disturbing, scariest Courage the Cowardly Dog episodes, right? But you can do this for anything. Like you can literally just search top 10, right? And you can look at all of these different things right here. You can see 4.4 million views, right? Two months ago, 1.2 million views, 165 million views, all of these different videos, and you can enter things, you can enter all types of things. My favorite things to actually enter are things that have to do with fitness, conspiracy theories, sports, right? Fort memes. Things that people actually search all the time, right? So you're saying to yourself probably, Kevin, yeah, these people have millions of views, but how are they actually making money, right? And we're gonna talk about exactly how much money 1 million views generally is for most of these YouTubers and how much they're actually bringing in, from a profit perspective. Because according to Business Insider, right, most YouTubers average about $3 CPM. And what that means is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. So if a video has 1 million views, right, and you're getting paid $3 per 1,000 views, you're getting paid $3,000 US, 100% profit, right, for every 1 million views that you actually have. And so here's another example, right? Top 10 fastest trains in the world, 2018. It's literally a compilation of the fastest trains in the world. You can see a year ago, it has 39 million views. And so if we pop up the calculator right here, we can see 39 million views times $3,000, like I just proved to you, right? They're getting paid $3,000, and that's pretty much minimum, guys. $3,000 per million views, so 39 million times 3,000 is $117,000 profit for literally uploading a train video, top 10 fastest trains in the world. So you're probably saying to yourself, okay, Kevin, how do I figure out which of these videos I can actually use, and then how do I actually make money doing it? Well, that's a good question, and the way that you actually do it is by using what's called Creative Commons. So every time that I actually type something into YouTube, what I can do is come to filter right here, and then I can literally type in Creative Commons, right? So what Creative Commons means is it means that you can actually download these videos, right? And if you don't know how to download a YouTube video, all you have to do is Google search how to download a YouTube video, right? There's MP4 downloaders. It's very, very easy to do. And once you filter for Creative Commons, like I just did, it's gonna show you videos. any video that pops up with the Creative Commons filter on. And as a little note, every time you do a new search, you want to make sure that it's on, because sometimes it actually turns itself off. But you can see that it's obviously on right here. Every single one of these videos is free to use, right? So I could literally download this exact video with 39 million views, and maybe I could download some other top 10 fastest train compilations that are also Creative Commons. And what I can do is I can reorganize, right? I can use a free editing software like iMovie, like a ton of different editing software, and you can re-upload the same video with a different thumbnail and a different title, right? All you need is an eye-catching thumbnail and a well-organized title, right? Top 10 fastest trains in the world 2018. There isn't a top 10 fastest trains in the world 2019, right? People always want to see the most recent actual thing that they're looking for on YouTube. So what are actually the most profitable niches and topics to actually do this for, right? Because you can make top 10 compilations, top 3, top 5 for anything, but there's a few actual categories where you are going to make the most money. And if you're saying to me, Kevin, but I have 0 subscribers, I'm just starting, how do I actually make this work? Every single one of these people who does this, right? When you look on YouTube, start to actually think about it. These people are uploading these top 5 and top 10s not because they love doing it. They're doing it because YouTube is paying them thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars to do this. And all you have to do is get one video that goes viral with the YouTube algorithm, right? It was free for this person to create this 6-minute compilation. It probably took them a couple hours. They downloaded different videos from around YouTube, and they actually just created a compilation, a top 10. They re-uploaded it, added a cool thumbnail, added a cool title, and they were on their way. But what are actually the best niches and topics to do this for? Because if you choose the wrong topics, no one's gonna watch it, and if no one watches it, you're not gonna make any money. So let's talk about what the actual best topics are to do these compilations for. But really quickly, I do wanna give a huge shout out to our comment winner. Yay! And if you wanna be the comment winner and get a shout out on our next video, all you have to do is 3 simple things. You gotta tap that like button, make sure that you do subscribe to The Strongest Family on YouTube, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you are struggling with right now. If you're making money online, if you're just getting started, let me know where you're at so I can personally help you on your journey to start making more money online. Okay, so what actually are my favorite things to make these compilations about? Realistically, the best things that people are constantly watching every single day are fitness, right? People love conspiracy theories. Like if we type in conspiracy, we can see, 549,000, 841,000, 2.4 million, right? Lots of different actual videos here, 15 million, top 10 conspiracy theories of all time. People love watching this stuff. It's the strangest thing, but they actually do, right? People love watching sports highlights. So if you go into here, like top 10 sports, and then we go filter, Creative Commons, you can see 5.6 million views, the best jumpers in the world, right? You can see Vlog Brothers, you can see lots of different stuff to actually take a look at here, and you can do top 10 sports compilations, highlights, best dunks. There's so many different things you can actually make video about. So sports is another one that I really love. Recent news, right? If things go viral, gaming is probably the #1 thing that people are actually watching videos on YouTube. So if you type in gaming here, you can also type in like popular games, like Fortnite, for example. And you can also use things that Google and YouTube tell you are popular. So we can see right here that there's actually a YouTube trending. And to find this, all I did was Google search YouTube trending. And you can see YouTube trending literally for gaming, and you know what people are actually watching, right? 2 million views in 19 hours, 1.1 million views in 20 hours. Like literally you can see these things that people are watching, and then you can literally remake ones of videos without making any videos yourself, just with compilations and reposting videos that have Creative Commons and allow you to do it, right? This is not shady at all. You're not gonna get shut down. YouTube is 100% okay with this. All you have to do is make sure that they're actually Creative Commons so that you can reuse the footage. And another cool tool that you can actually use to see how much money these people are making from their YouTube channels, and we can use a big YouTuber like RiceGum, for example. What we can do is we can take his YouTube username, and we can go to a site called Social Blade. So what Social Blade does is it'll actually show you an estimate of how much money that they're making. So he's making estimated $1.8 million from YouTube every single year, and that's probably lower than he actually is, right? Because my estimated earnings, if we go to mine right here, so we're gonna select my channel right here, and what we're gonna do is So this is actually the monthly earnings, and I only know the correct monthly earnings of my channel. I don't know what RiceGum's actually making. I've never asked him, but I know that from what this estimates my monthly earnings are, I know that it's actually realistically about 4 or 5 times higher than that. So if RiceGum's was 4 or 5 times higher than that, then he could be making, up to $10 million a year from his YouTube channel. And obviously he has a massive channel, but Social Blade is a really cool tool that you can see to estimate how much people are actually making from YouTube with their channels based on the amount of views. All right, guys, so let's summarize really quick. So how do you actually do this, right? The best way that you do this is you go into YouTube and you literally search for popular videos that have the Creative Commons license, which is totally free to reuse in whatever way you want. And then you make better versions of their videos. You make a better thumbnail, you make a better keyword-rich title, and then you re-upload that video, right? Maybe you see 10 different compilations of the fastest trains in the world, and maybe number 2 is lame, maybe number 3 is lame, and so what you do is you make a better master version of all of those already popular videos, and then you re-upload it. And your first video might not be perfect, and your second video might not go viral, but I have friends who are literally making hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this exact strategy, and they all started with 0 experience and 0 subscribers. And so all you have to do is just get started and try to put out 1 or 2 videos a day where you're just downloading them, making them better, re-uploading them, having better thumbnails, right? And you can get thumbnails made on Fiverr.com for literally $5, right? There's no excuses, guys. You can do this. People are doing it every single day. Just don't be the 99% of people that never takes any action, right? Be the 1% who actually tries this stuff and actually makes it work. Because remember, all you have to do is just remake better videos that have the Creative Commons license, upload them, and watch the views start coming in, because there's millions and millions of people on YouTube every single day. And this is an amazing way to start making money online, to start making $100 a day on YouTube with 0 money to start. All right, guys, so last thing, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you do me a favor, tap the little like button. It helps me reach more people. It helps me reach more people who can actually start to use these strategies to make more money online. And make sure that if you haven't, tap that little subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to know when we release a brand new video on how to make money online and how to be financially free this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you're struggling with. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've ever made even a single dollar online, or if you need help, and I'm gonna try to personally respond to every single comment down below that you guys leave, helping you on your path to financial freedom. So until next time, guys, happy hustling.